Doodle line design, we are going to create a really cool doodle design. We need a pencil, we need a Sharpie, and we just need a regular piece of white paper. On a piece of practice paper, draw 6 boxes and then practice drawing some squiggly lines. Ensure they are not too small, but big shapes for the box. On a piece of white paper, we are going to create our design. So use your pencil and sketch out very lightly a design. Redraw your squiggle line. Turn your squiggle line into a sort of snake. Introduce 1 or 2 large shapes like a heart or even a star. In my case, I have a heart, a star, and I added a circle down here. Outline with a Sharpie and outline all of your lines. If a Sharpie is not available, just use a black marker and outline your pencil lines. Start applying unique patterns for your design. I can use my pencil to try out some patterns first before I commit to them with a pen. And I want to have things that are complementary. That means that they are kind of opposite. So like circles here, and then I'll do some line work here, this kind of herringbone pattern. Once I like what I have, I'll start in with some fine pen work. So I like the Sharpie because it has a fine nib to it, and I'll start committing to my patterns. And we want to make sure that the patterns look like they are going off an edge here. So overlap and then over here. And then I'll have these go over here, and this will be the same where we want the patterns to look like they are overlapping. Try to be unique with your designs and keep track that every one of these shapes has a different type of pattern to it. I'll go back and use a marker and fill in some of the places where I have positive and negative shapes. And so I'll have some white areas, and maybe I'll use a marker and tone in other types of places here. So we have positive and negative shapes. Maybe a positive shape here, and then a negative shape here. Try to work your pattern into its fullest extent so you move all around your paper, and you can use my paper here as an example for some patterns. But work together and see if you can come up with unique patterns with your friends. I want to consider these art elements before I think I'm done. So for instance, do I have balance in my design? So do I have some positive shapes and negative shapes? Did I have a balance of black to white space in a variety of values such as dark to light or a variety of patterns? And also whether I should use color. And that will allow us to complete our design. Have fun with your doodle line designs. Bye now.